Russian multiple rocket launchers are destroyed by Bayraktar Tb2 as reported by Commander-in-Chief Ukrainian Armed Forces Zaleks. In a video he released, he said, "Bayraktar in action. Hundreds and thousands of Ukrainian lives saved, especially civilians." And today in this video I want to show you the reason why Russia should fear this Turkish Bayraktar Tb2 drone. This drone is monitored and controlled by air crew in a ground control station. It has advanced missiles and other weapons that can strike any Russian military base. These drones were used in Iraq and Syria to strike their weapons. It was also used in Azerbaijan and Nagorno-Karabakh during 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh war. Also, it was used in Ethiopia and Tigray, which is well known as Tigray War. Bayraktar were used against armed forces of Armenia with great success, in which they destroyed Armenian artillery, infantry positions, and military vehicles. All these missions were successful and went very nice. Tb2 drone's performance is so incomparable. Its maximum speed is 120 km/h and its operational altitude is 18,000 feet and its endurance is 27 hours. I want to end up this video by saying, please, Russia and Ukraine, this is not the best alternative to end your conflicts. I call upon Russia and Ukraine presidents to remember that you're brothers. And remember that your sisters and brothers are dying seriously. Also remember that you are the one to end their unexpected deaths. I sign out. Peace.